So all of us are aware how nicely the defense sector stocks have performed in last 1 to 2 years. Hindustan Aeronautics, BEL, BDL, BEML, everything has given good returns, and these stocks have already become large cap stocks. The price of Hindustan Aeronautics is around 4,700, Bharat Electronics is around 300, but the market cap is really high, and then Bharat Dynamics is also more than 2000, and BEML is also more than 2000. So if you are someone who is looking for an emerging stock which is into this defense sector, which is in small cap category, the stock price is less, which has very little debt, and also it's a growing company, then Avantel Limited might be a very good option for you. Why is that? So in this video I'm going to do the complete analysis of this stock, fundamentals and the price action, and by the end of this video you will get to know if you should consider investing in this stock or not. But please be careful that this is not a stock recommendation video, this is just an educational and informational video, right? So let's get started. Alright, so this is Avantel's screener page, and let's first read what business it is into. Avantel Limited is engaged in the business of designing, developing, maintaining wireless satellite communication products, defense electronics, radar system, and all of these things. Okay, so I'll share this link in the description section, you can go through it. Now let's quickly take a look at some of the other important things of this company. So let us first see who are its clients. Okay, so we can see that the clients are very well known names. The customer base include the Indian Army, Indian Railways, then we have Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, ISRO, DRDO, L&T, Boeing, Goa Shipyard, CSL. Okay, so this is a very good clientele, and the client base looks very solid. Okay, and most of them are government companies, so definitely in that aspect this company is strong. Okay, now let us take a look at the order book as well. So we can see that it is mentioned that the company has an unexecuted order book of around 240 crores as of May 30, 2022. Okay, and 126 crore of that is in railway orders. Okay, so clearly this stock has some good potential. Okay, now we are going to check the basic numbers for this stock and see if this company is actually fundamentally strong or not. And if we look at the pros here, we can see some highlighting features. Okay, company has reduced their debt. Okay, the company is expected to give good quarter and then give a good quarterly result. Okay, then profit growth is at 42.1 CAGR, return on equity 3 years 33.3%, median sales growth 36.3% in last 10 years. Okay, clearly this is looking strong. Okay, now let's take a look at the numbers. Okay, the current trading price of the stock is 115.70 with a market cap of less than 3000 crores. The reserves it has is 122 crores, debt 17.50 crore. That's why the debt to equity ratio is 0.10, which is excellent. Last 3 years sales average 42.31%, fantastic. 3 years average profit growth 53%, and average earning per share growth 3 years is 53%. Okay, return on asset 23.89%, return on capital employed 38.13%, interest coverage ratio 18.86, current ratio 3.18, operating profit margin is 37.69, and you can see it is the highest in this industry. Okay, promoter holding 40.06%. Okay, and Altman Z score is 24.03%. So I would say the numbers are simply looking fantastic. Okay, considering that it is a small cap company, these numbers are fantastic. Okay, all the numbers, right? Now let's take a look at the profit and loss statement to see if this company has been growing year on year or not. So we'll consider for the last 3 years. Okay, you can see that the sales has gone up from 105 crore to 154 crore from 2022 to 2023, then it went up to 224 crore. Then operating profit 28 crores to 49, then 49 to 84. Okay, very good growth. Operating profit margin 26% to 32%, then 38%. So clearly there is huge increase in operating profit margin as well, which is very essential for the stock price to grow. Okay, now earning per share 0.79 to 1.23, then 2.28. So rapidly it is multiplying. So clearly there is growth in this stock, and there is this is not an ordinary growth, this is an exceptional growth. So very good thing for the company. shareholding pattern. So the promoters were holding 40.36% in June 2021, and now they are holding 40.06. So slight decrease, 0.3% decrease in last 3 to 4 years. It is not much. Okay, basically we can call it stable. DIs were not holding any stake. They did take stake here in September 2021. Okay, 0.39%, but again they sold it. But again it has been fluctuating, and still it is 0.00%. I would say this is one of the drawbacks of this company, that the DIs have not taken any stake as of now. Okay, and but please remember that the stake by the smart money is just an additional thing. Do not consider it to be a primary criteria, else you will miss out on a lot of multi-bagger stocks. Remember that. Okay, so so the conclusion about fundamentals is that it is strong. Okay, the fundamentals are looking strong, no problem with that. Okay, and if you are watching the video so far, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you are finding the video valuable as of now. Right now, let's go to the price action. Okay, so this is Avantel in weekly time frame, and first of all I'd like to show you something very interesting. You see, this is the lowest point in during COVID crash, 30th March 2020, and this is the highest point. After that, you can see the returns it has given is 5,800% in 1337 days. So we can consider 4 years almost, 5,800%. Okay, it went up from 2.30 rupees to 137 rupees. So you can see how rapidly it has multiplied in value. Now the question is, why is it a good time to consider investing in this stock? Because it has already given multifold returns. The reason behind that, it is resting on the 200 days EMA, or you can say the 40 weeks EMA, and you can see whenever it has touched this moving average, it has given a good rally. Okay, right, and here once again it went up almost 4 to 5 times, and again it is coming, it is close to 200 days EMA, and you can see as soon as it came close to this moving average, we can start seeing some good green candles. Okay, clearly this stock is reacting to the 200 days EMA, and along with that, if I enable the super trend indicator in weekly time frame, I can clearly see that the stock never dropped below that. It is acting as a good support. Okay, and along with that, let us check the momentum indicators as well, MACD indicator and RSI indicator. So the MACD indicator is clearly telling that the the red bars are decreasing in size, and very soon we might get to see a crossover here. Okay, that could happen, right? And what does the RSI tell us? So the RSI is telling that, see, it dropped to this level below the 50 level, then it went up, touched 60 level, came here again, it used this 50 level as its support, again went up, touched 60 level, came back again, and this time it could use this 50 level or above 50 level again as its support and give a breakout. There is a high probability. So the question is, should you make an entry in this stock right now? Well, I would say it is almost a good time, but not yet the perfect time. The perfect time will be when it breaks this level. Okay, I am drawing one more line, this level, 120 level, you can say. If it breaks this 120 level with a strong big green candle which is having good volume, then only you can make an entry, and I think that this is going to happen very soon, because you can see this is the 200 days EMA, and you can see how strongly the stock is reacting to this 200 days EMA. Okay, and very soon I think it will give one move like this and break this level. So keep this stock in your watch list and make an entry at this level when it breaks the 120 level. Okay, now the question is, if you make an entry here, what will be your profit taking target? So let me give some profit taking targets for the swing traders. So the first target will be the middle part of 161 and 141%, that is 165 you can say. Okay, and the second target will be 192, you can take it 200. Okay, now if I measure the returns you will get, if you exit here, it will be around 45%, and here it will be around 70%. So very good return. Okay, you can divide it, you can sell half at 165 and half at 200. Okay, this should be a good strategy, but make sure to make an entry only if it breaks the 120 level with a big green candle and strong volume, right? So that is all about Avantel. And please remember that this is not a stock recommendation video, and if you found this video valuable and informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one, and don't forget to check my other channel, Financial Affairs. You'll find the link in the description section. Bye, take care.